Replacing the MCU main controller unit for timeline 100. Unscrew the 4 screws at the back of the timeline 100 by using a screwdriver. Remove the back cover. Unplug the connector for LCD, antenna, speaker, keypad PCB, LED. Remove the core board from the main controller unit. There are a total of 4 screws holding the main controller unit onto the casing. Unscrew all 4 screws. Remove the main controller unit and replace it with a new one. Tighten up all the screws to hold the main controller unit firmly. Insert the core board back onto the main controller unit. Plug in the LED, keypad PCB, speaker, LCD, and antenna cable back to the MCU. Place the back cover. And tighten the 4 screws. Now power on the terminal to test it. FingerTec, we make things easy.